Hi there. I just wanted to record a quick little video because I'm having a hard time navigating the AAA discounts. It's just not being very user friendly on my end. So I'm just going to kind of go through two different scenarios for you to show you what I'm experiencing. So if I go on to AAA.com and then I go to, so I'm currently looking to purchase office furniture. That's why this is like what's sticking out. So I go to discounts and rewards. Well, don't know why that's not working all of a sudden. Let's go here. Um, let's go here. Okay, discounts and rewards. Again, not sure why that's happening. Um, that is weird because it was working for me 2 seconds ago. All right, so I'm just gonna go through it the way I had it. So, okay, here's my example. I've been emailing back and forth with Alma. I got approval on some furniture through Office Depot. So if I click on this link of the furniture that I have selected and got approved, so I click on it, it's this real space, Magellan 59-inch desk, okay? So I'm like, oh, awesome. It's on sale, AAA members, because I had the web extension included, save here, shop online and save up, blah, blah, blah. So member price $279, $289. I'm like, great, it's an awesome deal. So if I click activate deal, it's taking me to this, which is how I got onto the Office Depot, this website. When I went through AAA and I went to Office Depot rewards or Office Depot discounts, it brought me to this. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just like, a sister company. So I click shop online, register. I've already filled all of this out over here, and like this is my link. Now it's $3.99. So I'm really confused. So again, if I hit shop online from that Office Depot website, and okay, now it's going to take forever loading because I've been playing around with it forever, and now it's going to be wonky on me. Okay, register. I go through all of this stuff again. Okay. Caitlin, Duncan. Okay. 99 387 5289. Go through all these channels again. Okay. Okay. Sorry about this. All right, and then I go ahead and register, select, let it go through, submit, saving all the information. Oh, user ID already exists because, yep, that's what I already did all this. There's no way to, oh, right here with login. I'm so sorry. I thought I had all this stuff down, and apparently I don't. So, okay, yep, here's me. Here's my information. Now, if I Google that same desk, real space Magellan collection, okay, it was a 54-inch corner desk, gray. Is it 59 or 54? I can't remember. Let's look. It was 59. So, okay, I go. So many tabs open. Okay, yeah, 59. It's $3.99 when on here it's telling me it's $2.89. So I guess I'm just super confused on how to navigate this. It's just not being very user friendly. And again, when I go to discounts as well, I guess it's still saying bad request. It keeps showing me that I have all these discounts available, but when I go to activate them, they're not actually there. So I guess I'm just really confused by all of that. If you could provide some clarification, I'd really appreciate it. And I'm sorry for all the rambling in this video. It's a Wednesday. Is today Wednesday? Yes, it is. It's a Wednesday morning. All right, thanks.